How did the phone just turn like that? Yeah, guys, welcome to my live stream this evening. Uh, I I'm sorry, I don't. What? Yeah, I'm sorry, I was not here earlier. I went to get something outside. So this is my hotel, which is about theoretically about $5 per night. Yeah, it's kind of cheap. It's very cheap. And maybe tomorrow morning I will take a tour of this hotel, this room in particular, and then I will show you guys. What do you think? Is that all okay? And I just want to say thank you for always coming to support my channel, support my live streaming, and the internet is there. Not like the hotel internet is my internet. The internet is not for the hotel. So, you know. So welcome guys. Please let me know where you're watching me from. It's kind of dark because the room is pretty dark. That is why you can't see anything. You're welcome. That's a bed. You know, the bed is very big, very large, very spacious, yeah.
I don't think that's my time to do this. But Sika, I took Sika as a sister. I took her like my own sister, my own blood sister. But we are not related by blood. She's from Akwa Ibom. So I took her as a sister from another mother. Do you understand? But she's doing this. Before I say my final word, I want Annie, because I know Sika is watching. If you have anything to say to Sika, say it. Me not to say her own.
Whatever stories is completely, my dad treated with her all heart in a good and kind. Dawa was phrasing, not everything.
Mina, come, let Mina say what you want to say. Don't just calm down. Don't use any insulting words, okay? Say what you want to say.
Jessica, I want to tell you this. Why? Why would you do that? That treat you well. Served you good when she gave everything. Why would you do that? Instead of protect.
This is what some people are expecting from me. This is what some people want to see. This is what all people want to see. They're expecting me to set my camera one day and then start talking about this. Start saying bad things about her. I saw when I was sitting in Dubai, I saw some comment like, I knew one day Sika will expose her. I knew Sika knew everything about her. Sika knew all her secrets. Sika will surely stay alone. That girl has seen a lot in that house. That girl will have a lot to say. What do you want me to say? Which bad thing are you talking about? Which story are you talking about? There is no story there. I mean, you want one on camera, cook up story, cook up lie just to make you happy. You want me to start cooking up lies, saying bad things about her just to make you happy. Which bad thing? She shall never want to do any bad thing. What's in that woman don't do for me for this night? I don't need anybody to do it for this night. They know who I am now. She make me who I am today. How do you expect which bad thing? I lived Dubai very peacefully. There's no problem.
I already gave you. Go and done it. They done the gifts. Because this is, I want to give you a big tour of our suit in the Burj Al Arab. Where the bedroom, just round and sharp, quick view. You are going back to me, right now, I'm going to show you guys this downstairs. Come to the. This is, I want to give you the bedroom, but come back.
It's just that right now I'm kind of tired and I need to rest. And I'll be staying in this hotel for like 3 days, 2 to 3 days, and so nice. At least it's a place to put body and soul together. Life is good, guys. Gossip. Ewo. If you're watching me, let me know where you're watching me from.